12:32 on day one, C day. We just got back to the room. We went to the Good Morning, well, caught the end of the Good Morning show, and then went to the shore excursion, kind of giveaway and everything. We actually won a Build-A-Bear.
A Build-A-Bear. Ooh.
We never win anything, so that was super exciting. We don't
Gave
have
it away,
kids, so we gave it away to this little kid in the front row in front of us. So hopefully he'll enjoy it. He was kind of asleep during the whole thing, but Mom was appreciative, so hopefully he gets his free Build-A-Bear. So we are just hanging out in our room. Here's our balcony room. We got our first towel animal. We are probably going to hit the Lido and get some lunch.
It's cloudy and overcast and very windy today.
Very breezy today, but we're at sea and we're just kind of hanging out, doing stuff inside.
We'll be in the Dominican Republic tomorrow.
Yay! Amber Cove tomorrow.
Yep.
Probably gonna be shopping day, hang out by the pool type thing. Hopefully it's nice and sunny. And yeah, so this is day 2 check-in. What's up, guys? So I wanted to show you this cool thing that we got for our cruise. Basically it's door banners that we had custom made for our rooms, so check this out. So huge shout out to customcruisewear.com. They made those banners for us. They also made custom t-shirts for our group cruise.
Louder. Here we go.
Good evening, guys. Good evening, good evening. It is 10:25. Day 2 was a C day. We just finished our formal night, and
It rained all day.
it did rain all day. It was really crummy. I mean, poured in sheets all day. So we kind of stayed in, kind of explored the ship a bit with family, and kind of hung out a little bit. Had guys burgers today. It was delicious. Our first guys burger of the trip. So really, really good. What else did we do today?
Went to the shows tonight.
Can't
Went and
even
saw
remember.
the Motor City show, which
Yep.
is a Motown show.
We went to the Motown show, which was really good as well.
The performers on the Breeze are very good, very talented.
Good, very talented, which we'll have some clips of that as well. And then we went to the atrium where they had like some trivia and stuff like that. Went over to Ocean Plaza, listened to some music from the Dynamics, which they are very good. And then we kind of just came back to the room and now we're chilling. We actually just ordered a pizza on the app to be delivered to us, so we'll see how long it takes for them to get here. It says it's currently being made.
We'll post what the final time was when it gets here. We'll post what the time was.
So we ordered it at 10:20. It's now 10:26, so we're on a 6-minute clock. So we'll see how fast it comes. Hot and ready. I think that's Little Caesars though, not Carnival.
It doesn't matter.
Anyway, so end of day 2, we are just going to chill in the room for the night, go ahead and get settled, and tomorrow we will be in Amber Cove, Dominican Republic, from 9:15 to 3:30ish. So we don't have any excursions planned. We're just going to bebop around and see what there is to do. Anything else you got?
No, I'm good.
We're good. Good night. So, pizza in bed in 10 minutes. Oh, yeah.